Good morning students, welcome back to the mathematics online classes of class 2 from Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today's topic is measurement. It's the chapter number 7 of your book. Let's start the chapter measurement. Pick the tallest animal. So which is the tallest animal beta? Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. So you have to tick here. Cross the heaviest animal. Look at the pictures. Which is the heaviest animal? Right. Elephant. Elephant is the heaviest animal. So you have to cross. And next, circle the smallest animal. So recognize which is the smallest animal? Yes, rabbit. So you have to circle it. So come to the next slide. Observe the balances. These are balances and fill in the blanks. Students, you have to look here. There is a book that is equal to 1, 2, 3 apples. Okay. So these are in the same position. So these are in the same weight. So book weight same as 3 apples. Okay. Come to the next. Toy. So you have to see here, this is a toy car and here are 3 oranges. So the point is in the between. So these are same. So toy weight same as 3 oranges. Pick the container which holds more. So this is a jug, this is a glass. So which have more capacity? So jug has more capacity. So you have to tick mark on the jug. So look here, there is a bottle and there is a bucket. So which have more capacity? Very good, bucket. Bucket has more capacity. You have to tick on bucket. There is a cup, there is a spoon. So which has more capacity? A cup has more capacity than a spoon. So you have to tick on a cup. Come to the next. Measurement. Measurement of length. Beta, we have to measure the length in 2 ways. Number 1, known standard and number 2, standards. So known standard units are finger, like this. This is a known standard unit of length. Hand span. This is the hand span. Your thumb to your little finger. So this is a known standard unit of your length. Next is cubit. Your elbow to your middle finger. Elbow to your middle finger. That is called cubit. Foot span. Foot span, your thumb to your heel. Your thumb to your heel. Look here. This is your heel and this is your thumb. So that is a foot span and that is the known standard unit of length. Pace. When we are going, so that is our pace. जो हमारा एक कदम होता है. So the distance between one foot to second foot. So this is pace. These are the known standard unit of length. So we have to recognize some examples with the help of these known standard units. Find the length between door and window of your room. This is your window and this is your door. So how do you find the length between? With our foot span or our hand span both. And the door and your desk. That is your desk and that is your door. So when you have to pace or you have to pace or your foot span to recognize the length between the door and your desk. The teacher's table and the door. So you have to use your foot span to find out the distance between the door or your teacher's table. Standard unit. In last module we have to learn about the known standard units. Now in this module we have to learn the standard unit of length. So our standard unit of non-standard units differ from person to person. To avoid such problem, we use standard unit of for measuring length. Meter is the standard unit to measure the length. So which is the standard unit? Meter. M-E-T-R-E, meter. Meter is the standard unit of length. It is written as M, small m. A measuring tape can be used to measure length in the meter. Look here, that is a measuring tape. All of you have in your house there is a measuring tape. So you have to find there is inches and centimeter. Okay, and you have to take hat to measure your door's length, your dupatta's length, or your scale, your table's length, etc. A meter rod is made of, it is generally used by tailors. A meter rod is made of wood or steel. So you have to look here, that is a meter rod. This is made up of wood or steel. It is also used to measure length. It is generally used by cloth merchants for measuring cloth. Smaller lengths are measured in centimeters. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. In short, centimeter is written as cm, small c and small m. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Large distances like distance between two cities are measured in kilometers. So we have to write here small k with small m. Kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So let's do some example of these. Which unit of length is best to measure each? So length of a slate, you have to look length of a slate, that is in centimeter. Length of shoelace, also in centimeter. Length of a pen, centimeter. Length of a car, when you measure the length of a car, so it should be in meter. Length of a wall, also in meter. Distance between Delhi and Mumbai, that is in kilometer. Length of a bag in meter. Length of a gas stove in centimeter. Length of a paper clip, centimeter. Length of a playground, kilometer or meter. So students, let's measure length using a centimeter scale. So in your geometry box, in your pencil box, there is a scale that is called a ruler also, beta. Look at the scale or ruler. This is a centimeter scale. The centimeter scale shown here 15 centimeter long. We write here 15 centimeter like this. Let's measure the eraser. This eraser using a measuring scale. So 0 to 3. So the length of this eraser is 3 centimeter. Observe and fill in the blanks. You have to given a ruler and you have to find the length of these objects. Number 1, crayon. So look here beta, 0 to 5. So what is the length of this crayon? 5 centimeter. Length of a pen. You have to look the pen, that is up to the 10 centimeter. So the length of the pen is 10 centimeter. Look here, pencil box. So the pencil box is 0 to 15. So the length of the pencil box is 15 centimeter. Look at the matchbox, that is your matchbox, 0 to 6. So the length of the matchbox is 6 centimeter. Now next is screw. That is a screw. Look at the screw. 0 to, you have to follow this dotted line. Yes, 2. So the length of the screw is 2 centimeter. Now last is toothbrush. You have to see the toothbrush beta. You have to follow the dotted line up to the 13 decimal 5. in the between the two numbers there is a sign, so that is a 0.5. Okay, so the toothbrush is 13.5 centimeter. Come to the next. Cross the object which are less than 5 centimeter. Look at it, it is 5 centimeter. No, that is very small, so you have to cross it. Pen, that is about 5 centimeter. That screw, in the last module we have to find the length of the screw, that is 2 centimeter, so cross it. And pencil, that is 5 centimeter or above 5 centimeter, so you have to, that is the more than 5 centimeter. Pick the object whose length is less than 1 meter. Height of a bus, more than 1 meter. Length of a spoon, that is less than 1 meter. Because that is very small object. Pen, that is also a small object, so we have to measure in centimeter. And a stapler is also measured in centimeters, so you have to put a tick. Come to the next. Use your centimeter scale and find the length of these following objects. You have to use your centimeter scale, your ruler, and I have measured, that is 3 centimeter, and that is 4.5 centimeter. And what is the length of a chalk? 2 centimeter. To find out the length, you have to measure, you have to use your ruler or centimeter scale. Estimate the length of the following: about 3.5 centimeter, about 4 centimeter, or 2.5 centimeter. To measuring the length of these objects, you have to use ruler or your centimeter scale and start from 0. Which unit is meter or centimeter? Will you to measure the following. So height of your room. Room is very high, so it is measured in meter. Length of a car also in meter. Length of a mobile phone. This is in our hand, so it is handy. It is used in measured in centimeter. Length of your study room, that is also measured in meter. Length of your toothbrush, that is in our hand, so it is handy object, so that is measured in centimeter. So remember, if the distance is long or the object is longer, so that is measured in meter, and that is in our hand handy, that is measured in centimeters. Come to the next module, measurement of mass. Mass means weight. So to find our weight, we have to use a weighing machine. Okay, this is a beam balance that is used by vegetable or fruit seller. Vegetable sellers or fruit seller. In the spring balance, we suspend the object in the hook. That is a hook, and measure its weight. Okay. The scales are balanced when the weight on both sides are same. So the scales are balanced, means that is in balance because both are same. The standard unit of weight is gram. Heavier objects are measured in kilogram. Gram is written like this, small g, and kilogram small k with small g. There are 1000 gram in 1 kilogram. So we have to write here like this: 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. Which unit is best to measure the weight of each? So you have to write here the units of weight. Units of weights are gram or kilogram. So the object is lighter, that is in gram, or the heavier, that is in kilogram. A watch, gram. Book, also gram. Cake, kilogram or gram both. Keyboard, kilogram. Ring, gram. Suitcase, kilogram. Toothpaste, gram. Flower, gram. That is very lighter. Pen, also in gram. And watermelon, that is a heavier object. So it is measured in kilogram. So these are the commonly used to weights. 10 gram weight, 50 gram weight, 100 gram, 200 gram, 50 gram, 250 gram, 500 gram, 1 kilogram. Observe and fill in the blanks. Weight of a cup. So you have to look here, there are 100. Weight is with 100 gram. So this is equal to 100 grams. Weight of the strawberries, look here, 500. So these are equals to 500 grams. Some of the commonly used weights are 2 gram, 5 gram, 10 gram, 20 gram, 50 gram, 100 gram, 250 gram, 500 gram and 1 kilogram. Observe and fill in the blanks. Weight of a cup, you have to look here, 100 gram weight. So that is equal to 100 gram. That is a 500 gram weight. So that is equal to strawberries 500 gram. And the weight of this book is equal to 200 gram. So you have to look at 200 gram is there. Weight of a mobile, look here, 50 gram. Weight of the pear, look here, 1 kilogram. And the last is weight of apples, you have to look here, also 1 kilogram. Come to the next. Which unit is best? Eraser, that is very lighter, in gram. Suitcase, in kilogram. Biscuits, in gram. Toffee, also in gram. Boy, kilogram. And potatoes, sack of a potato, kilogram. So weight of toffee, toffee's weight 100 gram. Weight of oranges, look here, what is given? Yes, 500 gram. And weight of a pineapple, look here, 2 kilogram. Yes, the weight of pineapple is 2 kilogram. Weight of lemons, beta, look here, 100 grams. Weight of boxes, look here, 2 kilograms. Weight of bag, look here, 5 kilograms. So to measure the weight of these objects, you have to look at the weight. Pick the correct approximate weight. So the weight of a teddy bear is 200 gram or 200 kilogram? 200 gram, because it is very lighter. That is 4 kilogram or 400 gram? 400 gram. The box is 1 gram or 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram. And the biscuit is 10 gram or 100 gram? 100 gram. And the weight of a chair is approximate 5 kilogram. Measurement of capacity. When we have to measure the capacity of liquid, so that is it. That is called capacity. The quantity of liquid of a container can hold is called a capacity. We can estimate the capacity of the vessel or a container like this. How many glasses, how many bottles, or by looking at the size of the shapes. The capacity of the glass is less than the bottle. Bottle has more capacity than a glass. The capacity of a jug is less than the bucket, and the capacity of the both bottles are same. Come to the next. The standard unit of capacity is liter. In the short form we have to write here L. The capacity of the bottle is about 1 liter, and the small quantities of liquid are measured in milliliter, M and L. Small l, M with small l. Crows are the object which have capacity of less than a liter. So that is of 5 liter, that is of milliliter. So we have to cross it. milliliter, we have to cross it, and this is more than 1 liter, this is less than 1 liter, so cross it. This is also less than 1 liter, so you have to cross these containers. Which unit is best to measure the capacity? Capacity of a glass in milliliter, capacity of a cup also in milliliter, capacity of a bowl milliliter, capacity of a medicine bottle milliliter, capacity of a Pepsi can milliliter, capacity of a bucket, that is in liter, capacity of a water tank in liter, capacity of a jug in liter. How much liquid are there in each container? Look here, 4 ml. Look here, 600 ml and 800 ml. ml means milliliter. Which is longer, a handspan or a cubit? Tell me. A handspan, or that is our handspan and that is our cubit. So which is more? Cubit. That centimeter is 1 meter. Very good. 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. Length of a new pencil is about 15 centimeter. Length of your cricket bat is less than 1 meter. 1 meter. Pen of a weighing balance holding heavier object goes. If the weighing balance, the pen is heavier object, that is goes down like this. That is heavier object and that is lighter object. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. How many 50 grams weight balance 200 gram? 50 plus 50, 100. 50 plus 50, 100. So how many times are 50? 4 times. Okay, 4 times 50 gram is equals to 200 grams. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. The capacity of your water bottle is about 1 liter. Bucket can fill with 10 jugs of water. So the capacity of 10 jugs. Okay, beta? Choose the correct answer. Width of a postage 1 centimeter. Approximate length of sari 5 meter. Weight of an apple 80 grams. Capacity of 20 drops 5 ml. So you have to learn it. Use the ruler to measure. So you have to use your ruler or the centimeter scale. So this is 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. You have to find out the length. Look here. Your geometry box is, that is your pencil, sketch pen, crayon and mobile phone is 6 centimeter. Crayon is 4 centimeter. Sketch pen is 5 centimeter and your pencil is 9 centimeter. Find the weight. So look here, there is 1 kilogram. So the weight of sweet is 1 kilogram. Look here, 500 gram. So the teddy is 500 gram. Look here, 2 kg. So the weight of watermelon is 2 kg. Come to the next module. Look at the pictures of and answer the following. So the capacity of a bucket is 10 liter. Capacity of a jug is 500 liter. Capacity of a cup is 200 milliliter. And the bottle's capacity is 1 liter. So which capacity has more? Bottle or a jug? This is jug and this is a bottle. So bottle is with 1 liter, that is more than 500 milliliter. Which is about the least capacity? 200 milliliter, the capacity of a cup. How many bottles are required to fill the bucket? How many bottles are required? Bucket's capacity is 10 liter and the bottle's capacity is 1 liter. So 1 tens are 10. So the how many bottles are required? 10 bottles are required. So come to the project work. You have to write make a list of 10 objects heavier than 1 kilogram, like watermelon, your car, your table, your chair, your computer, all these things, your sofa, chair, bed, all these things are heavier than 1 kilogram. Okay students, you have to read this chapter, complete this chapter with the help of this video. Okay students, let's see you in next video. Bye bye.